Whew. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, it's Anissa. Welcome back to my channel. So welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the videos that everyone loves. I know. What month is it? February. It's February. The February Boxycharm. Right off the bat, as you can see, this thing is literally bigger than my face. Usually I can take a thumbnail and be like, I don't know how I'm gonna do that this time. Last month I was very disappointed with what I got, so maybe they're trying to like step up their game. We'll see. Usually I have to like get up to get scissors, so that was pretty nice considering it's actually way past my bedtime. I shouldn't even be functioning right now, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. Unless I'm on crack or just don't remember and have Alzheimer's. The box is actually a really pretty hot pink on the inside this time, and usually I think it's just all black. I don't know, whatever. Bubble wrap. Okay, I can't find the card. I don't think they sent me a card. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this first thing, I think I've gotten something else from this brand before. It's called the Ciate London Everyday Bake Cake Coconut Setting Powder. I think it's just a one size fits all type of deal because it doesn't have a color on it. Oh my, this is white and I am not white. This is purely like, oh, did you hear that? I'm gonna try to open it and see if I can do a close-up. This literally looks like cocaine. This is the Laura Geller New York Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. And this, guys, if you know me, I so here for a highlight, especially a golden highlight because I am a little bit darker. This is absolutely beautiful. I might have to do a close-up. And I love the design. It's not just pressed like a normal powder is. It looks like a cupcake. Like a 2D cupcake. Next thing, which is something that I think all of us girls can agree that we always need something of, is the EVO Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Oh, these are marijuana wipes. Okay. They're really like, they did not come to play. Aurora Cannabis is one of the largest cannabis companies and it's defining the future of the cannabis worldwide, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so there's 15 wipes in here, which isn't bad at all. I wish I knew how much it was. Boxycharm. Okay, this next one is the Lexi Complete Sponge Set Bake Contour Detail. Oh, okay, that's cute. Okay. Last thing, I bet you $20 million that it's an eyeshadow palette. This is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Create endless beautiful looks with these 20 highly pigmented peach. Oh my goodness. This is probably my favorite eyeshadow palette that they have sent me. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Maybe I should show it to you now. And this isn't, I'm gonna do a close-up. This isn't even giving this any justice right now. I am so excited to try these. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you are a Boxycharmer or if you use a different subscription box. I kind of want to branch out and see what other subscription boxes have to offer. This is just the best one that when I did my research, it seemed like the best one. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next week. Bye.